Oh, hello, hello. Should be streaming. I'm gonna need to set up some stuff real quick though, so give me just a second in case anyone happens to show up in the 20 seconds before I get this ready. Anyway, I need to doot 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 and also doot 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 doot. Not that. Probably not that. Or that. Doot doot doot. Okay, that should be good. I think it's ready to go. I don't know. I'm always scared about these kind of things. Publish, 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 publish. Okay. Now I'm going to tweet. Laggy computer of slowness. Very fun. Just trying to share that I am actually streaming. I plan on streaming a couple hours or until I get too stressed out about my homework that is impending doom for tomorrow, and then I flee in panic as I try to get that finished. Because, yes, I'm streaming while I have homework to do. I didn't expect to spend like 2 hours trying to troubleshoot my dumb computer. I was trying to figure out why this microphone wasn't working, because in the last video, or the last few videos I recorded, this microphone wasn't working and only my built-in computer microphone was working. So I was like, why is my audio sounding so terrible? I have a better microphone, why is it not using it? And I was like trying to figure it out, and I was like, alright, if I'm going to stream, I need to get the good mic working again. So I did so many research and testing and troubleshooting, trying to figure out why in the world this mic wasn't working, and I was like, am I gonna have to reset this highly technical little bit of RAM to see if I can it wasn't any of that. I had my little mute button on. Never felt dumber in my life. Well, I felt dumber in my life because I am dumb, but you know what I mean. I'm just dumb. That's all I know. So twitch.tv/edgemonkey. Why is it so slow? Come on, man. I mean, I know you're slow, but really? You gotta be this slow? Move your butt. My computer really doesn't like running this many things at once, I don't think. That's probably why it's exploding. Oh, by the way, I had this set up for a while, but it actually wasn't working. I just now found out that I broke something when I set it up. So it actually hasn't been working this whole time, which is, it makes sense, but I mean, no one's ever donated, so it hasn't been a big deal. Anyway, if someone actually donates now, I've got it set up to where it should make a loud monkey screeching in my ears, and it'll probably scare me half to death if anyone does that. So, incentive to give me money. Not that I need it. Well, I mean, everyone needs money, but you know what I mean. What am I even doing? Still trying to make this one tweet. Doesn't want to work here. Please work. There we go, that should work. I hope. I think. Why is it so slow? My gosh. Alright, well, that's good enough for me, man. Just gonna scroll up. Now I'm gonna have this Twitch chat over here, Minecraft over here. We can go ahead and start working. Hopefully I'll keep the Twitch chat, or I'll keep an eye on the Twitch chat so I actually can tell what's going on. So, if you, I guess I'm gonna, should I let the video introduce itself, or should I do the talking because the video is rambly? I don't know. Give me just one more second, because my computer is being really slow. Like my internet browser over there, that's what I'm waiting for to actually boot up so I can see the Twitch chat and stuff. It's not being very fun. Alright, well, I'm gonna give up on that and just kind of move over to the Twitch chat. It's being very laggy and slow and dumb and stuff. Stop being so stupid! Ah, what did I do? How did I do it? What did I do? Oh, hey Topazian, how's it going? I'm just now finding the Twitch chat finally, after so long of struggling. let me pause this because I don't want to be watching my own stream. That just causes unnecessary lag for my poor little computer who can't even handle anything. My computer can't handle Minecraft anymore. So you remember this game, Topazian? It's been a while since I touched it. And I'm actually going to explain that as the stream begins. Alright, now we are officially good to go. Phew, what a mess. Well, actually, hang on one more second. Let me say something in my Discord server so that people know. Dun 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 dun. Alright. Everyone should know that I'm streaming now. Like, everyone that I have access to immediately. Hopefully people come out, considering that it's a bit late, but it should be fine. Even if no one comes out, it'll still be a productive stream. Hopefully some useful stuff going on. As far as I know, everything should be going, so we should be ready to go. Now, I guess I may as well go ahead and give you the history lesson. So, here is a old video that I recorded. I'm probably going to mute the audio. What's going on here? Yeah, I'm going to mute this audio just because it's not really important to hear what I say. This is a video that I recorded, let's see, more than a year ago. It's like a year and a half ago, maybe? I forget. Anyway, basically what this video is a video of a video. Okay, so what this video is I basically recorded, okay. Backing up even further because I don't know how to start explaining things properly. I give way too much information and I ramble a lot. So I created this mini game called Blocked In a very, very long time ago. Like, as soon as they came out with the clone command in one of the first snapshots of 1.8, I was like, holy cow, clone command, this is awesome. I can use this to make a mini game. So I started creating this idea for a mini game called, I didn't have a name for it at the time, but I just kind of started doing this little inventing stuff and it was all fancy and cute. Then after I was experimenting around with it a little bit, I was like, you know what, I should make an actual map out of this. This would be cool. So, like, before the 1.8 official release had even come out, during the snapshots, I basically built this entire map, and I did it pretty fast. I, like, completed the entire map, everything that came with it, and I got it all ready to run, but at that point, I didn't know anybody in the Minecraft community. I had never really been a part of the Minecraft community. I was still too small of a YouTuber to know anybody, and nobody knew me, so I couldn't really just say, hey, everybody, want to test my map? So basically, I had a map, but no way to test it, and I had no idea what to do with it. So I was like, I can't release this without testing it, but I don't have any friends or anybody to be able to test it with, and I don't even have a server to host it on so that other people can get on and help test it. So I'm basically stuck. Nothing I can do at this point, and I just don't know anybody. And I'm not going to just go around spamming people going, hey, test my map, test my map, test my map, because that would just be annoying and rude to people. So basically I was pretty much stuck, and I just struggled for a long time. It took like a year before I actually found some people, both in real life and online, to actually help me test that map and get it released. Some of the people in real life weren't terribly effective because we had to get on using LAN because we didn't have a server to get on, so we had to use LAN network. Anyway, after we finally got that tested, like we were testing it a little bit, then after we did all that, I was still testing it and I was encountering odd bugs, and then I finally like had some online people after like a year because I had started to do YouTube. So I met some people like Ang and Squid Dude, or MC Labs 15 as you know him now, and they helped me test the map a little bit, and Squid Dude was nice enough to say, hey, this guy needs some testers, can you help test his map? And I was like, yay, thank you. And like, I don't know how many people, like 30 people came out, or maybe even more, to test the map, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. So that finally allowed me to like work out most of the kinks and get it figured out of what I was doing. And then the map was basically ready for release. But literally like the day I released it, or like a few days after, like a week or something. This was back in like Minecraft, or like the official release of 1.8 had come out by that point. It was like Minecraft 1.8.3, I released it, and then after I released it, like Minecraft 1.8.4 came out, and I was like, oh, nothing changed in this update. It should still work, right? So I didn't even bother like looking to see if it had gotten broken or anything, and it should have still worked as far as I know. Then someone like Sparks from Accidental Games, I was talking to him, and he was like, hey, or like I was asking him, hey, do you want to test out this minigame or play it or something, because nobody knows me at this point, no one's ever seen this minigame, so do you want to play it? And he was like, sure. So he got I didn't expect him to do this, but he Sparks from Accidental Games, Crazy Man from Accidental Games, they got Exumavoid and Slipgator from the Hermitcraft server to play the game with them, and I was like, holy cow, this is amazing. Two awesome people that I like, plus two other awesome people that I like playing my game. This is going to be awesome. Then they tried it. They tried putting it on a server or something, and it failed. It was like causing immense lag and exploded and stuff. And I was like, what the heck? I just released this thing. I don't know why it's breaking. What's going on? And they were using it in the latest version of Minecraft, which was like 1.8.4 or 1.8.5 or something. Apparently something changed between 1.8.3 and 1.8.5, which caused the game to lag a lot. I don't know what it was. To this day, I still have no idea what changed. Anyway, it kind of blew up the entire map, and they weren't able to play. And I was like, no, my one chance at greatness, and now it is thwarted, and now they're all going to think that I'm a terrible redstoner or something. I probably was at that point, but that's regardless. I probably was not as good at redstone as I am now, but that's beside the point. Anyway, so it utterly failed and broke for some reason, and I was like, oh, come on. And it was very discouraging. So I went back to look at the redstone, and I started like updating it and stuff. Then Minecraft 1.8.6 came out, and that broke one of the core mechanics of the entire how the game worked, because let me go ahead and show you here. I still have the old map. Like I'm working on the new version of the map. Oh, and here is the old version of the map. The old redstone worked on one of these main principles where if you put a command block inside a dropper, then if you spit out the dropper, oh, not those. Oh no. Well, it all glitched out anyway. Anyway, there were command blocks in these dispensers, and if you activate the dispenser, it spits out a command block. It randomly chooses one of those 9 command blocks, and it spits out one of them randomly. And I was using that as a main randomizer for my entire system. And since 1.8.6 came out and it patched that because it was an exploit that caused some problems, they took that feature out, and I was like, because I had, well, let's see how many I have here. I have 12 times 4 and 9 command blocks on each of those. So I had a lot of command blocks all relying on this one system, and then it completely broke it. And I was like, I have to redo the entire thing now. The entire map is useless now. So that's what I started doing. After that point, I realized I totally needed to rework my entire system. So this was the entire old map. It looked absolutely terrible because I was a noob at designing at that point. I hadn't been I hadn't ever done a map before, so this is kind of my first spaghetti mess of redstone and not very good aesthetic choices. Just looking at it makes me kind of cringe. Anyway, I started reworking the whole map, and I redid the redstone over here. I was working on some other stuff, and the main map, let me just see here. I can go ahead and kill myself, right? Yeah, here it is. So this is the new updated arena. Oh, the command block stopped working, but there was a cool particle effect around here as well. So this was going to be the new arena and the new lobby. This is going to be basically the entire thing that you saw during playing the game, and then the rest of that area was just going to be industrial for like redstone purposes. And I like the way this looks a whole lot more because it's nice and elegant, compact, all that kind of stuff, and it doesn't have like random pathways everywhere. Anyway, so I updated the whole map, got all the redstone completed, finished it all up, got the options working, got this working, got team joining working, got the start game, everything was working, and I transferred over all the redstone and made it work again with the new updated system. Oh yeah, I forgot this doesn't work anymore. Great! Game mode 1. I forgot that since the last time I worked on this was in 1.8 and now it's 1.11, so all the command blocks stopped working because it's 1.8 redstone. That does not work at this point. Let's see, I need to teleport. Negative 1,000, I believe. Yay. So this is the new map. Basically, the reason that I stopped working on it, like I had it completely done, it was ready to go. I just needed to test it to make sure that this new redstone worked in like 1.8.8 or something. Then guess what happened? After I tested it once, they announced 1.9, and I was like, ah, come on. So again, I had did all this work, totally useless. It's gonna be wasted. I mean, I could still make a 1.8 version that works, and I could release the 1.8 version because apparently the other 1.8 version doesn't work anymore. But that's beside the point. I'm more focused on just moving on right now. So I want to update this redstone. That's the project that I'm working on now. The project is I want to update this 1.8 redstone to 1.9, probably clean it up a little bit more than it already is right now because it doesn't look terribly good right now. And yeah, that's basically it. I just want to clean up the redstone, make it work again, and re-release this for 1.11. And that's going to be the project. If anyone wants to join me on the realm, I will let them join, and they can just kind of hang out around here, maybe play this little Easter egg game. Of course, this is also broken now that the whole everything broke thing happened. So I'll have to fix that first, I guess, and you can play with that. This is the old map, so there's actually a couple things in here that might still work, like goofing around with the little Easter eggs and stuff. And there's also a mini game up here, like a mini game within the actual overall map mini game. So you can play in that if you want to. That's basically what's going to be happening this stream. Sorry about the very long backstory, but that's basically the situation here. Oh, and if you were wondering why I was showing you that video at the beginning, the video was I had recorded myself updating all the original map to the updated 1.8 map, like the 1.8.8 map. I had been updating the 1.8.3 map to the 1.8.8 map, and this is me recording myself, changing all the redstone, going through how it worked and stuff, but it just took so long. It took like 6 hours or something full of me recording it, and this was like, not last summer, but the summer before, so that's like a year and a half ago. And I recorded myself doing all that, but then I was like, I'm not going to edit this. This is just too long, too pointless, so I'm just going to record a little bit of me scrubbing through and seeing what all is in there. And then I'll just delete it because nobody's going to want to see that. I'm not going to want to see that, so I'll just delete the footage. And this was me recording it going, I'm deleting footage, how dare I, stuff like that. And I was just kind of talking about the same stuff that I just talked about. So that is basically what's going on. Let me go catch up with the Twitch chat real quick. Emphasis on the word hopefully. Yeah, I tested it. A year and a half sounds right. Oh my gosh, I remember when @e didn't exist. Oh yeah, that was so useful. Sean, yeah, Sean helped as well, I believe. He was there. No, wait, Sean didn't help promote. Sean was promoted in that as well. He only had like 300 subscribers at that point. That was a long time ago, before the log.zip days skyrocketed him up to thousands of subscribers. I knew it started with an S. What started with an S? Updates too quick for you. Yeah, the updates really were too quick for me, but that's just kind of because I'm too busy with my life, so I'm like working on something carefully, making it all work. Boom, another Minecraft update. What happened? I'm still working on this. Hold on, Minecraft. I'm dumb. Anyway, the video is about done, so let me remove this. How do I delete? Oh yes, remove. Yes, I want to remove. Cool. Oh, do you see my shirt? My green shirt is blending with the green screen and it's making me all flaky. I look like I'm see-through. I'm a ghost. I've been talking way too much over a very small amount of time. I need to chill out a little bit. Alright. So, Topazian, do you want to join the realm? Hang out a little bit? Or not? If you want to join the realm, I can go ahead and allow you to. Man, I need to redo all this redstone. Another reason that I know that I basically made the original version of this map in the snapshots before 1.8, the full release, was out, was because in my original map, a lot of the entities I used, like for floating text and stuff, instead of using armor stands, I used wither skulls because armor stands weren't there yet. And then the map updated, or like Minecraft updated to release the final version of 1.8, and wither skulls like became visible. And I was like, oh, okay, I guess I need to update these. Oh, armor stands came out. That's cool, and I used armor stands instead. So this whole map is kind of a patchwork of so many different versions all being mashed together into one incoherent mess. It's very unfortunate. Let's see here. Just trying to boost my performance a little bit. Updates. Sure, I'm Psionic Unleashed. Sonic Unleashed. I see. Okay. So that's your new username? Interesting. Let me go ahead and add you. I think you might be the only one watching the stream. That's unfortunate. Copy. Whoa. Again, my internet is exploding. Yep, you're the only one watching so far, as I know. Let me invite you to the realm real quick. Disconnect. Players, invite player. Blah. Oops. Blah. There we go. Invite. Cool. Whew. So, I have a lot of work to do this. You've gone through like 20 usernames? Holy cow. That must have taken a long time. 20 usernames times 30 days for each month. I don't know. That's a long time. Hopefully you join in adventure mode. Considering that all the redstone is currently stopped, I'm not actually sure what game mode you'll spawn in. Hopefully adventure mode. If you do spawn in a different mode, please don't break anything. I don't know where to start updating all this redstone. I guess I'll start with a minigame so you can have something fun to do. I'm not sure. I wonder if this would work. I really don't know what I'm doing. Have fun and goof around, or check out the new redstone. Yay, I had such high hopes back then. Oh, is it? There are barriers here. That's a jag. So, I have no idea. What's going on here? I'm just trying to figure out what I need to update and what I don't need to update. Because I think this is a comparator clock, so this should still work. Should still work. So that Easter egg doesn't need to be updated, I believe. That is just a detect thing. This is such a difficult project. I hate it because it's like you have something that is complete and it works, but then Minecraft updates, so now you need to rethink everything. Everything that used to work now may or may not work. So you have to think through, okay, what works, what do I need to change, and what don't I need to change? And considering this is already like multiple versions in one, it's very difficult to figure out. Let's just test this, see if it works. Beep. Okay, that looks like it works. That doesn't work, but that's probably because I'm in game mode 2. Doing, 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 doing. Okay, this works. Awesome. Game mode 1. Reset. That works too, yay. And if I am one of these people, it should do this thing. Test for block, stone button. Okay, let's see if that works. It didn't give me anything. Do I need to be in game mode 2? Okay, test for block. Okay. That might need updating. I don't actually know if that's what it said before. Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. Aha, it didn't have the Minecraft, but I don't think that would have changed anything. Yeah, oh well, couldn't hurt. It's not giving me anything. What am I supposed to do to get something? I wish I hadn't tried to fit redstone in ridiculous places like this. It makes it very difficult to change and or fix. Give anyone radius equals 3. I think they might have changed it so that this no longer works. Oh, I can't do x equals x equals. I need to do x equals y equals. Let's see if that works to fix things. Invalid selector argument. Yeah, selector. That's probably right. Okay. Doot doot. Doot 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 doot. Now this should work, correct? What? Come on, man. Why gotta be this way? Oh, wrong coordinates probably. -2, 74, 966. -2, 74. -2, 74. 74. 296? 266? I forget already. 966. 966. Oh. -966. I don't know what I'm talking about. Howdy. Please don't break anything if you're not in the correct game mode. I do not know what game mode you'll be in. Oh, okay. Well, that happened. How about I game mode... Oh, game mode 2 at A. Ah! TP you to me. There we go. Here's the party. I really don't know what's going on. Oh, it had you there on default? That's good. I think the world spawn is over there, so that would make sense, I suppose. Wait, no. The world spawn should be over here. I don't know. Because the redstone's over here. I really don't know what's going on. So, if you complete the parkour, it should give you a golden apple now? Question mark? Hey, it gave me a golden banana. Because I am just fabulous like that. Yay, that works. So in theory, everything else should work too. Yep, okay. That should work. I think. I hope. I wish. I don't know. Not a big deal. So does this also activate anything else? I don't believe so. World spawn was in the middle of the void. That doesn't sound good. World spawn should have been right over here, so I don't know why it would be in the void. I guess I'll just set world spawn over here, because I'm not sure why that happened. Set world spawn, doot doot doot. That should fix it, I guess. I don't know. So as far as I know, that should fix everything over here. Spectate. Ah, dang it. What is the purpose of that? No, this is not null. Okay, so I'm stuck in game mode. Okay. I guess that's okay, but I don't know why that would be there. Ooh. Cool. I didn't know I had that. Do these actually work? That actually works. How does that actually work? I thought Jason updated a lot. Okay. Interesting. I think those videos still work. Saturation and resistance effects might be useful. Yeah, they used to be here, but then, well, Minecraft updated and all the clocks have gotten stopped. So anything that was supposed to be given to you is currently not given to you yet. Lobby fight minigame. Let's see if this works. What does this thing actually do? Oh, okay, nothing. Let me go check this out. Oh, okay. Sorry. I did not, yeah. Spectate. Friendly fire. True. TP at P team spectate, but we're not in team spectate. Yeah, nobody's in team spectate because of the clocks all stopping. Clear everyone, golden apple. Alright, that should still work. I'm just not on the correct team because I'm a moron. Well, maybe not completely a moron, but I'm somewhat of a moron. Oh, where are you? Are you stuck somewhere? Where'd you spawn? TP. Ah! Oh, you're stuck over here. How in the world did you get over here? I don't have a clue how you got over there. I thought world spawn was... Yeah, I know you meant the other way around. I was just curious where you ended up. TP at a... I guess your spawn point must be here. TP at a doot negative 1000. There we go. Need to finish the parkour for your sanity. Here, let me give you a resistant. I may as well just do that when I actually get to the... I was gonna say I can give you like a potion of something regeneration, so you don't need to. No, let me just give you steak. Good old-fashioned steak. Because why not at this point? Where'd you go? Oh, you're over here. Well, I'll put this down here for you. A reward for getting this far in the parkour. There you go. So if I were on the team spectate, scoreboard players, scoreboard teams, join, EJ Monkey spectate. So now this button should bring me up here. Awesome, awesome. And this one should clear and send me back. Cool, cool. All right, cleared my inventory and sent me back down here. That is exactly what I wanted it to do. And this should still work, I believe. Doot. Cool. What about this one? Holy bandanas. So much text. Is there a way to hide tags? True. I am not sure. Hide flags. What? B? Hope that works. That did not work. Alright, is there a way to hide tags? Is it hide tags or hide flags? I forget. Google, save me. Is it like that? Hide flags? Or is it... Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe the hide flags is in the tag? Oh. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. That's really helpful. Hide flags tag lets you hide specific types of things. So if I wanted to hide the modifiers, I would do hide flags 2B. I think. Let's see if this works. Oops. Oh, okay. I could be wrong. There it is, hide flags. I'm trying to figure out the hide flags tag in case you didn't know. Um, someone said that I look like an idiot, but the auto stop bot stopped him from saying it. So I'm gonna go ahead and deny that, just because I am an idiot, but um, wouldn't want that popping up in the chat, especially with bad words in it. So thank you for your opinion, though, guy. Now, why is this not working? Hide flags. 5. Interesting. So you also add them together. Oh, that's really helpful. Okay, so if I wanted to do all of them, I would do 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus... So 31? 31 is what I want to say. Let's try to hide everything. Hide flags 31B. Just because I'm not sure what this would fall under. Okay. You're at like 20 gapples now? Oh gosh. Did you beat the parkour? I assume. Sorry, I'm dealing with really huge commands, so it's kind of blocking your chat a little bit. You need some enemies to fight, don't you? Here we go. Execute you. Doot doot doot. Summon. Doot. Fight him with your fist. Oh boy. Why am I not able to... hide the flags? I mean, it would make sense that I would be able to hide the flags, correct? Oh, I guess it wouldn't be a B. Oh, it would be an F. Wait, would it? Let me just not put a data type and see if that works. Oh, but it wouldn't be a B, because a B would be a Boolean, and that wouldn't make sense. Okay, that didn't work either. So the hide flags needs to be what data type? I would assume a double. Nope. Okay. What about a... Oh man, sorry, it's not too entertaining for you right now. I just don't really have anything to really, or like, there's no one else around for you to hang out with, so I can't really like start any mini games or anything right now. Do you know how to do the hide flags tag? Because I'm trying to get it to work right now, and it's not hiding the attributes that I'm trying to give it. I don't want to hide everything. I just want to hide some of it. I mean, I assume that I don't need to do the data tag. Flags. Hide flags. 1 through... Ooh. Ooh. Attributes, modifiers. So all I need to do is 2, I believe. So I guess I don't need a data type at all. Alright, cool. In theory, it should work just to say, give me a thing with hide flags 2 and have it work. But of course, in practice, things are different. What if I take the hide flags and I put it instead of in there, I put it with the other tags. That's probably it. Aha! I got it. Alright. I was just an idiot before. Figured it out. Alright. That's a relief. Yay. So that should work. What is this? Super blah blah. Super simple game, was so fun. I decided to make it in a full keep out. Also some people blah blah blah. Oh, that's old. That's just beef for no reason. For some reason I was upset about stuff for no reason. That's not a big deal though. I had so many signs about that. Damage super sword. That should work. There we go. Apple of tanky health. This should probably also get a hide flags thing. ID Minecraft golden apple. Tag. Hide flags. I can't believe I'm making all these stupid errors today. Like, just dumb things. And that's the super bow again. Cool. In theory, this should all work. I am the current Diamond King. Yay. It didn't summon the fireworks. Why you no summon fireworks? Y equals 120. Is this the correct Y value for that? No, it is not. I do not believe. Y equals 120. Why would I have Y equals 120? This is Y equals 95-ish. $99 is what it should be. So someone else should really join you so we can actually do something interesting and entertain you while you wait, or like while you're just hanging out. Because I feel like I need to be entertaining you in some regard rather than just kind of letting you do your thing. I mean, hopefully you're having fun doing your thing, but... Wait, wasn't what a different map? Potato Games? Potato Games was a different map. Boing, 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 boing. This is not needed. Doing, 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 doing. Doing, 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 doing. Doing, 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 doing. So many signs, like what was wrong with me back then? Maybe I'll just leave one just as a memory. So this part should be fixed, I believe. Yeah, the Diamond King. Oh yeah, I forgot. I still was working on this part. Say P is the Diamond King. Oh yeah, Diamond King was a different map, yeah. Oh! Incorrect coordinates! Don't know why that freaked me out. It should be, for some reason it's -1. I think that was just my fault being one block off. -1, 966. -1, -966. -1, -966. Let me just copy this. What? I'm spinning around in circles. I don't understand. What do you mean you're spinning around in circles? You found the Easter egg minigame. Oh, does it actually still work? Huh! That's funny. It might not actually be able to end, though, at this point. I can't remember if it's supposed to work at this point. Well, I mean, obviously it's supposed to work. Why would it not be supposed to work? But it doesn't work, I don't think. Summon fireworks rocket entity. So this is the thing that's not going to work. How do you make a fireworks star again? Do you just like add colors or something? That's a lot of numbers and stuff. Alright, don't let me forget to come back to this. Let me see if I can help you out with the minigame, because I think that thing is broken at this point. You're stuck spinning. That's very funny. I think it's broken. I don't know why you're stuck spinning. I forget how this works. It's been too long, man. Oh gosh. Alright, I'm trying to look at the command blocks. Why did I have to compact things way too much? Like, really? Let me just, I think we need to end the game here. Score players 1. Set block there. I assume that would fix it. Yay, you did it. Or something. I feel accomplished. Oh dear. I think it's because you haven't joined the spectate thing. Let me join you to the spectate team because that's probably why it glitched out. Do 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 do. Scoreboard teams join spectate you. TP you to me. Alright, you're free again. Sorry about that. Not sure exactly why that happened. Not sure why anything happens on this map anymore. Oh, it's very hard to go back and like figure out what you're doing, like, because you're like, what was going through my head all this time ago? Also, these are still called butter apples. Yeah, well, was that supposed to be changed? I didn't mean to change that. I mean, yes, it's from a very long time ago, and I don't even really like Sky Does Minecraft. He's kind of not crediting creators and stuff, and haven't watched them in years, of course, so I don't know. Let's see here. I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to make fireworks stars, but let's try this anyway. What if I do that? That doesn't do nothing. What if I do this? No, that don't do nothing. What if how do I do fireworks? I'm gonna Google how do I do fireworks Minecraft. It's probably gonna be like, you need to learn grammar. Oh, really? Well, that's simple. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'll do that then. Come to think of it, I could probably just take this, put it in a text file, and take a quick look to see if there's anything I can understand. Doot. Doot. Do. On ground doesn't matter. UUID most doesn't matter. Dimension doesn't matter. Air 300 seconds. Life 0. Fireworks item. Fireworks item. I don't need that. Position UUID. Blah blah blah. motion. I do not need that much detail. Nor do I need that much detail. Oh, I see here. Dang it. I just realized I'm going to be very close to the camera in this shot. Spook! Hey Slash, how's it going? Do you want to join the realm and hang out with Topazian so he's not bored while he watches me do nothing? Does lava set TNT off? Oh, yeah, it does eventually. Did you place TNT? Oh gosh, why? What? You're gonna blow up the stuff. Did you break the... Oh, you got stuff from there. What? How are you in survival mode? You're supposed to be in not survival mode. Chill. You're supposed to be in adventure mode. I don't know how you got in survival. Game mode 2. I'm trying to... Oh no. No. Bad. Oh dear, you scare me. If I can actually boot up these power-ups, then you could play with those in the lobby if you wanted to, as long as you didn't kill anything. Let me invite Slash to the realm. If he wants to join. I don't know if he wants to join, but if he wants to join the realm, he is more than welcome to join the realm and help keep you entertained. Because I feel like I'm failing you at this point. Slash stash. Dude, alright, you're invited, Slash, if you would like to join. Yep, it doesn't work at this point. It should work eventually, though. Basically what it does is it summons lightning wherever you throw it, which is pretty cool. What was I working on? Was it still on this? Oh yeah, the firework thing. Give me just a second. I'm trying to determine how to summon a firework. Because apparently... Oh, did I just... Oh, I am disappointed in myself. I think I just need to change the name. Summon firework. Fireworks rocket. It's not fireworks rocket entity anymore. Let's see if that fixes it. What if I did that? Does that fix it? No, it doesn't, apparently. Unless it just summons in the wrong spot. Okay, apparently not. Hi, anyone who finds this sign. Where is that? Oh, that's down there, isn't it? Ah, I know where you went. Cool. Hi, anyone that finds this sign? Hello. Yeah. Very much. Yeah. But now I am a YouTuber. Didn't expect that to happen. I don't know. Life is unpredictable sometimes. Alright, so what is causing this to not summon properly? I cannot summon the object out of the world. Out of the world? What you talking about, bro? Summon? Fireworks rocket, dude. Oh, it's summoning at 0, 0. That's not where it's supposed to be. Silly Billy. I know you're not Billy, but whatever. I can do what I want. -1, -966. -1, -966. Cool. Now that should work, correct? Woo! Yay, fireworks. Yippity-doo-dah. Okay. So that works. I don't remember what goes there. Maybe that? No idea. Da YouTuber. Yes, the YouTubers. They are the awesomest people. I'm kidding. They are not the awesomest peoples. Well, they might be. Some of them. It depends on the person. My statement is invalid. Redstone wire 15. What the heck? Why is that there? Where is this supposed to be? 896 negative 9? What? 896 negative 9. Putta 896 negative 9. 8 and negative 9. And if that was 100, why is this existing? What? I am so confused. Redstone wire? Why? What is the purpose of that? I do not understand what is happening here. There's a command block that says that it wants to set redstone wire 15, which I assume is powered redstone wire at that location. But where and why and just what? Huh? Hi Mirotech, how's it going? Do you want to join the realm and hang out for a bit? You don't have to, because I know you're usually busy, but people are just kind of hanging out and entertaining themselves while I'm trying to update my old map of Blocked In. And I'm also trying to figure out why in the world I did this, because old redstone is confusing, especially when you don't remember why you did what you did. I'm very befuddled. I assume I have a reason for what I did. I don't know what it is anymore, unfortunately. It's like trying to understand rocket science or something. Let's see, is this actually 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, that's the one that activates, but why? Why would I activate that? Just, what is the point? Oh, I guess I understand. I guess the purpose behind it was... okay. Let's see if this works. Redstone... Oh, come on. Redstone. Redstone wire. 15. Oh, and it gets stuck that way. That's not good. Okay, never mind. Not gonna do that. Not worth. Not worth. It's like trying to understand the mind of me, but a few years younger. Yep, that's basically it. Might be able to join you. Hashtag mine. Alright, well that's fine. Right now, there's only one other person on, Topazian. I mean, Sonic Unleashed. And he's just kind of hanging out. He's kind of bored because I'm not very entertaining, unfortunately. I am a fail of a YouTuber. So he's just kind of exploring the very old lobby of mine while I figure out what I'm doing with my life. Let's see here. If I instead... What if I instead set this to auto 1B, no, to success count. Okay, block data, success count. Success count. I'm terrible at spelling, so this should hopefully work. And I know this might not be the correct... I only blew a few things up. Did that work? Probably not. Aha, that worked. Yay, that's working. Woohoo! You only blew a few things up. Did you actually blow up TNT? I hope not. Oh, goody. Oh, you put everything back. How'd you put everything back? Oh, because it automatically refills itself, doesn't it? Ah, I see how it goes. Cool, cool. mm, so yeah, if you want, after this, I will work on... I'm talking to... Invite me. Oh yeah, sorry. Are you running on the Realms demo or the paid Realms? You asked this actually the other time. I'm working on the paid Realms, but I only have 9 days left before it runs out. I actually bought 6 months because I was planning on using it more, and then I basically disappeared for 6 months. So it's kind of been a waste. But yeah. Words, English, thoughts, stupendous unicorns. Yes, I'll invite you in just a second. Sorry. Can I join again? Yeah, sure. VC6B, I will invite you as well. Your username is the same thing as your name, correct? I'm pretty sure about that. I may have forgotten though. Let me just put some ice here, or packed ice, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what looks good here. I forget what it was. Rawr. Yeah, regular ice is fine. No, packed ice looks better. No, I don't know. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I don't know. It's good enough. Looks fine. So, that should... Woohoo, I'm the Diamond King. Yeah. Game mode 3. Oh, wait, I actually need to disconnect. So, inviting VC6B and Mirotech. What's your username, Mirotech? Is it like Mirror_Tech, or is it Mirotech YouTube, or just Mirotech? I forget. I don't remember, so I'll have to invite VC6B first. VC6B. Invite. I think that's the right person, right? VC6B. Alright, cool. Now, Mirotech, I'm going to have to wait for you, because I do not remember what your username is, unfortunately. Like your Minecraft username. Oh, it's a Potato TY. Hello, Denise. Do you want to join as well? Denise? I'm just inviting you in case you want to join. Tis Mirotech. Oh, I overthought it too much. And if anybody wants to join me, I actually am in my Discord chat as well, but nobody has joined me to talk. So I could talk to someone if they wanted as well. Alright, so is that everyone who's wanting to join at this point? I guess so. Whew. Hey VC6B, how's it going? We got peoples. Wow, dude. So, what game mode are you in currently? Can you break stuff? Are you... I need to know what game mode you're in, because I need to set up some... Oh, what? Oh, okay, he's gone. What the heck happened? Well, I'm not sure how that happened. Should I mute the stream and join the Discord voice server? Sure, if you would like to. Checking my inventory. Alright, so I think I have updated... I just realized, I finished updating the little mini Diamond King thing up here. So if you wanted to mess around with that, we could play this, or you guys could play this. It's actually very addictive and fun to mess around with. So if you want... Hey, how's it going? Is that you, Tech?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Are you sick or something?
Nope.
Oh, sorry.
I just have a bad microphone.
Oh, okay, I understand. So how's it going?
I don't know. I don't really play Minecraft that much anymore.
Oh, you don't? Huh.
Yeah, I'm more into web dev now.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I've seen you post that kind of stuff.
Except I'll sit on it when I'm bored, so whatever, I'm on.
Okay.
What is this game?
What is Minecraft, you mean?
No. What is the map?
Oh, this is blocked in. This is actually the first map that I ever released. And
What version
VC
did
keeps
you
the.
release it in?
Whew, I released this in 1.8.3, I believe, but I actually created it in the first place during the 1.8 snapshots. It took a long time to get it released because I didn't have any friends to test it with. uh, Let me see here. So yeah, now I'm just updating it because it's been broken for basically longer than it's ever been around. Like before I even had the idea, it's been longer than that. It's been broken. So let me teleport everyone to me. Check this thing out.
What?
This button. It's
Should I
oh
press it?
actually I need hold on. Scoreboard teams
Denise, you
join
pressed it.
spectate at A. Okay, so we should all be on the spectate team now. This button leads to an addictive game.
Oh, no.
You can play with it if you want to.
It says
All right.
PvP in lobby.
Yes. Well, I mean,
Is that not
it's more
supposed to be?
interesting than
Oh,
that.
okay, there's a door. I thought I just fell into a box that I wasn't able to get out of.
Oh boy, says Denise. Oh, he knows what that is. Oh
What?
dear. Oh yeah, I know what this is. Oh, that's why it's working. How? Oh yeah. Sorry, VC6B. The Discord link is actually in the Twitch. Like, it's in the little sidebar thing. So it should be, if you scroll down the page a little bit, it should be like right below the video. Let me see. It should be down there, just a little bit. If you look down there. Yeah. Hopefully
Damaged
that's where it
super
is.
sword.
You found it. I see. How'd you get in spectator mode, VC6B? There's actually no way for you to get out of spectator mode at this point, so I kind of need to help you get out of that. Game mode 2, VC6B. Unless you don't want to be out of spectator mode. Let me know if you want to get out of spectator mode.
The only arena that's ever been worse than this is probably an arena that I made in 6th grade.
Uh, you talking about that little thing?
Yeah, this PvP arena that you have.
Oh gosh, yeah, it's a very rudimentary thing. It's just meant to be a little lobby game. Wait, where are
I
you?
still
Are
have
you
my
even in
super.
there?
I died and then it respawned me in the main hub.
Ha.
And I still have the
Well,
super sword. I
that's
just got
kind
an
of
achievement.
well, that's because all the redstone is disabled at this point, so it's kind of a hot mess that I'm trying to sort through. Unfortunately, there's a button. Where's the button?
Ha! Ha!
TP
Ha! No! No! No!
VC6B. And also, you don't see a link. Oh, the link should be. Rah, rah, rah. Link should be right beside. Hold on, I'm trying to double check to make sure that
What
it's
the
actually
heck?
there. What?
Aimbot confirmed.
Nah, Denise aimbot. Classic. It should be under participation, like in the little sidebar beneath the actual video or of the stream. There should be a little thing called participation, and there should be a link to join the Discord chat. Lobby fight. Denise's the current Diamond King. Denise haven't played Minecraft for a month. Pure evil. Neurotech for high speed. EJ here.
He's just
Denise.
spam clicking. Has he not played Minecraft for months either?
Who? Denise?
Yeah, he's
Oh,
literally spam clicking with this.
he's probably not used to the 1.9 combat, I guess.
You can't do that. You can't. Stop. No, stop shooting.
Wait, this is supposed to clear his bow. How is he not getting cleared? I need to fix that. It's supposed to clear you of a bow if you're within 2 blocks of that location. Maybe I need to do like this.
Am I the only one other than you in the Discord voice? Yeah.
I believe so, yeah.
What is this chest? Oh, I need
So-
this stuff.
It's supposed to be clearing. I don't know why it's not clearing people's
Give me
inventories.
this armor immediately.
Oh well, bug testing as we go. Clear emerald.
He's stuck. What?
Who's stuck?
The guy on the thing. I didn't read his username. Hold on. Psionic Unleashed. He's
Sonic.
not taking any knockback.
Oh, that might be because of the emerald thing. If he has an emerald in his hand, that's like a magical emerald that gives you no knockback.
I died because I had a half a heart and I fell 4 blocks.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I blame Denise.
I blame potatoes. All right, Denise, step on that pressure plate. Step on that pressure plate. Why is it not clearing you? It's supposed to clear you of the bow so you can't be like super OP and shoot people from the
But this
top.
isn't even the minigame that the map is about.
I know. Well, it's just a minor bug, but still, I'm trying to fix it because it makes it. Well, I don't know. Does it make it more fun to have those weapons while you're up there, or does it just make it too OP?
Too OP. Hashtag blame Donisi.
Hashtag blame Denise. Oops.
Now trending on Twitter.
Wait, I think I might know why it's not working.
One time
Is
I
it
used
actually?
hacks on, I think Hypixel or something like that. And
What happened?
I defeated a guy in iron armor with a wooden sword. Using spam clickbot or something like that. I don't know.
Hmm. That's kind of sad. 0.99. It's
That was
supposed to
when
be.
spam clicking was a thing. Thank goodness that doesn't exist anymore.
Oh yeah.
Unless you're a
0.99.
1.7 PvP supporter.
0.99. 66. So it's supposed to be 0. But why is it not working?
Oh, by the way,
Hmm.
a few days ago, I was bored, so I downloaded. Stop killing me! I downloaded a couple Realms maps. I think I downloaded 7 of them, and they're really good for hide and seek. So when I recreate that, I'll be ready with maps.
Oh, cool. Oh yeah, you were the guy who made hide and seek. That was a long time
Oh
ago.
yeah,
Oh man. Minecraft Diamond Sword.
it was a long time ago.
Yeah, man. I don't even remember how long ago that
That
was.
was when I could brag about having 80 subscribers.
Mm. Well, you still have them. They haven't abandoned you.
Or have they? I've been inactive for 3 months.
Gasp. It's a lie.
You've been inactive for like a year or something.
That's true.
Denise.
Game mode 2? What the heck? Why is this here? I don't understand.
Would it be quicker to just delete the entire map and restart?
No, I just don't understand why this is even here. Like, there is no logic to this statement.
Why is this even here?
Yeah, like, I have a check to make sure that you're in game mode 2, but... Oh, I guess that makes sense, because I want to make sure that someone doesn't just hide in spectator mode and... Oh, hey, Slash.
Look at this
Game mode
nonsense.
2/stash. Wait, oh, you were already in the game. Sorry, my bad. I thought he just joined, so I thought I needed to change. Diamond Mandrew, hey, can I join? Yes, you can. If you would like, what is your username in what's it called? Minecraft. Give me your username and I'll invite you to the
What's it
realm.
called?
And
Minecraft.
yeah, the game that we're playing, Minecraft. I know what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Looks at title.
Minecraft. I mean, what?
Something that they
Oh boy.
removed in 1.11 that really irritated me. I mean, other than all the entity name changes, they you used to be able to do what's on your screen in the stream right now. It says game mode 2 at a x equals 0, y equals 120, z equals 0, r equals 3. You used to be able to just do game
Oh
mode
yeah.
2 at a 0, comma 120, comma 0, comma 3. And
Yeah,
you
that's
didn't
how
have
I
to
had
do
it.
yeah.
That's why it stopped working for this part.
I hated how they did that. That was really convenient. And I had to change everything.
Yeah, it was pretty helpful, and then it stopped working.
I fell into the void.
How do you get back? Where are you? Are you currently...
I jumped out of the hub or something. I climbed a bunch of stairs.
Hang on, let me set
I did
everyone's
it.
spawn point
Oh,
to
come
here.
look. Here, I found it. So I go up this ladder and then I use this water.
Wait, what? Oh, I see.
Also, here's your head.
Here's my head. What?
I found your head. It's in a wall.
Oh, yep, that is my head.
EJ Monkey is hacking confirmed. Fly hacks.
Yes, fly hacks. Woohoo. Such hacks, much cheats. Alright. I'm still not sure why it doesn't
Ah,
clear people's inventory of these particular items.
slash. Stop.
Okay, it cleared it of everything except
Do you
the
have a
super
mouse pad slash?
I was wondering what that was. Oh man. I think Mirotech wants you to mute your mic slash.
Or get a mouse pad?
Oh boy, that was funny. Oopsies. That was funny.
This actually has
Oh,
text on it?
I'm sorry to take so long, Diamond Mandrew. Yes, you can join Diamond or your in-game name is Diamond_Mandrew. Oh, I remember the old times. Yeah, that was a long time ago. It's good to see you again. Let me add you to the realm real quick.
Like you're
BRB?
placing carpets. What?
What? Who's placing carpets?
I'm trapped.
Diamond Mandrew. Hopefully that's you.
I'm walking on carpet and it's making a wooden sound.
I'm walking on carpet. Well, sorry. R equals 2.
What is quote unquote accident? Evil emoji.
What'd you say?
Sorry, Redstone closed to. Sorry, Redstone closed to general public due to an quote unquote accident.
Wait, what? Is that something I made over there?
It's even got an evil face emoji on it.
That's hilarious. I forgot
What is
about
that?
that. I don't know. Just a joke.
You don't know what it's referring to?
No, it's a joke
What's
from
the
ages ago.
accident?
There is no accident. It's a joke,
Oh.
but it's from ages ago. I don't remember what it was for. Hey,
There's a
hey, why are
problem
you
with
shooting
this
me?
potion.
I'm dying. Huh?
Potions don't use damage values anymore.
I know they don't. Not anymore. That's why I'm trying to update everything.
A bottle of time.
Because it gives you, like, in the game, you slowly run out of like hunger, and that's one of the hard fast timers that makes sure that you eventually die. So if you give them a little bit of saturation, then you're basically giving them more time to live.
Time.
Yep.
Quote unquote time.
Yep, that's the joke. Okay, why is this not working?
What?
He shot himself by bouncing it off of my creative mode person. That was funny.
Where is the PvP arena physically?
Uh,
Frick,
it's above the map.
I fell into the void again.
How'd you manage that? How are you even getting out there?
I've already showed you.
Oh, the parkour?
Yeah, the
Oh,
water.
I see. I see. I'm losing a fight against EJ. A fight that I am not a part of.
Who?
Sonic Unleashed keeps shooting me, but I'm in creative, so his arrows just bounce off of me and hit himself. It's pretty funny. I'm trying to figure out this command. What is wrong with this command? Can anyone tell me?
Is it on the stream?
I'm just putting it in the chat.
Oh, okay. Nothing wrong with that.
The fact that you're clearing our bows. uh,
Maybe the command block just isn't activated? Is it on... Hold on, is that an impulse?
yeah, it's an impulse command block.
Is it on needs redstone?
Yeah. Let me just rewrite the command. Maybe there's a hidden character or something. There was a hidden character.
What?
I found it. There
What
was a
was
hidden
it?
character. I don't know. It was some sort of invalid character that was there.
Oh,
But I
okay.
found it, so that should work now.
One time I spent like 30
Whew.
minutes debugging a command, and the problem was that there were two spaces.
I had that happen before.
And then when I pasted it into the chat bar, it worked fine, so I was like really frustrated.
Gotcha. Hey, Minecraft Avatar, how's it going? You're doing trigonometry homework. Oh boy. Yep, blocked in. Very old game. Uh,
Hold on, what's blocked in?
that's the name of this game. Blocked in is the name of the map that I released ages ago, but it still needed some serious revamping. So that's
But
why. Oh, you
what
still
is
have your
it
stuff.
about?
Uh, well, I guess I should explain the point of the game. So
Carpets are half dead now.
the way this mini game used to work is you would start the game and, well, let me just take a quick detour to
I can't hear you very
TP.
well over the loud music.
You can turn it down.
At least it's a good song.
You can turn down your Minecraft sounds.
I don't feel like it.
Okay, well, in that case, you're gonna have to deal with not being able to hear me.
Blocks.
So, TP, Mirotech, EJ.
Where is the jukebox?
So, this is the updated arena. So, just to explain how this game works. Basically, when you start the game, each player, or like out of 4 players, why is it all barriered? Anyway, you spawn in one of these 4 little chambers, and there's barriers separating you into your own little 4 quadrants. Then, as you like place blocks, like each player gets their own color of clay, and they start placing blocks to try to trap
Yeah.
each other. And there's a random chance that the blocks you place will be cloned over to one of these 4 areas. So you're trying to place blocks in your quadrant, and they get
Oh, that's cool.
yeah. So you're trying to basically sorry, I'm trying to talk to 2 people at once. You're basically trying to suffocate your opponents by cloning, like placing blocks in the spot that they're in and having it clone over to their arena and crushing them to death. And then there are little power-ups and randomness and all sorts of crazy little things that make it more interesting, but that's the basic concept.
Okay, you should probably start with making it so people don't die of hunger in the lobby.
Like I said, lots of things need some updating here because everything broke when it updated to 1.9. None of the command blocks are running right now because
Heck, do you even have log admin commands on? Or off?
I don't know. I haven't been on here in like a more tater tots. I haven't been on here in tater tots. What kind of a sentence is that?
It's a monkey sentence.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, it's taking too long to respond. Minecraft Avatar. As you can tell, I'm having like 4 different conversations at once.
Look what I
Game
did.
mode 2 at
What?
A.
Eh. Why am I able to do this?
What? Able to do what? Sorry. just teleporting us back to civilization. Well, to the redstone, I guess, which is where I need to do stuff.
What is this
Um,
song?
why are people playing songs?
What is this song? I've never heard this.
It's one of the records, I suppose, considering that
But
Slash is
which
down here.
one? This is familiar, but I don't know what this is. Black?
Uh,
But that doesn't tell
Black
me what
disc.
it's called.
What does this do?
Stop.
Ah! Ah!
What? Why did you scream?
I accidentally blew up Slash. I forgot what this does.
By nobody, good job.
Denise added this a long time ago. I forgot about that. Oh man.
I guess I've just never listened to all of Stall.
That is funny. Oh gosh. Blame Denise. Hashtag blame Denise. Okay, so that is
Hashtag blame Denise.
correctly working. And that is currently working. So,
What's up with the half carpets?
half carpets?
Come.
Oh, well, this is a little mini spleef thing. So if you're in game mode 2,
Oh,
then here, let me reset it. Now you jump
there are
like
buttons.
this. Ooh.
Oh.
Ah! I fell in.
Wait, what? How? Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. And I can't sprint anymore. Good job, EJ.
There you go. How do you guys keep getting in? Oh boy. Denise, are you trying to get into whatever? Oh, Diamond Manager, you're stuck in the Easter egg. Oh no. Let me see here. I think I remember how to get out of here. All right, let me save you real quick.
We're beating each other with stakes.
Yeah, like I said, all the redstone is currently bugged. So if you try to activate a minigame or something, it will seriously glitch things out. Whew. TP, Diamond Manager, EJ Monkey. I can fix this next though, so you guys can play with this if you would not like. How did he? No. How are you doing this and why? And please no. How does dude even start doing this? Oh, because the TNT can place on. Oh, that's a good catch. Thank you for solving that bug. But please do not place TNT in the lobby. That's very scary because I do not want things blowing up. That would be bad. Like I have half of a
Also,
map already built, so I don't want it destroyed if possible.
what's up with these random armor stands?
No, please stop taking the TNT. Can be placed on all that stuff. Please, can we please not take these things at this point? That would be bad. I'm probably going to need to block this off, aren't I? Here, let me block data. Doot. Haha. Alright, clear. At all. TNT.
What the heck, Denise? Hashtag blame Denise.
Does anybody have TNT or anything else that they're trying to place? I wish I would have recorded that sound. I would have remixed it.
What sound?
I don't know. Maybe I made a weird screaming sound. I don't know. Blame Phoenix. Blame Spark.
You've made several weird screaming sounds during the stream.
Yeah, true. How do I get in the arena?
I will beat you with steak.
Oh. You mean the arena down there? I'm not sure what arena you're talking about, but I could let you guys in there, I suppose.
Hold on, is my spam clicking streaming to Discord?
You're spam clicking?
No, it's
I
not.
haven't been hearing it.
That's because Discord is better than Skype.
Oh, shots fired. Oh, it's lit, fam. Sorry.
Don't be a broom. Sudden silence. There's a stake on the spectator mode button.
There's a stake. Oh boy.
Just imagine that situation in real life. Like you're just in a, I don't know, dystopian society where you're only able to play blocked in, and there's just a stake sitting on the spectator button.
Oh dear. No. No.
Have you
Bad.
seen Tony C's
Bad.
eyes?
Oh my gosh! What the heck? How did that happen?
So weird.
Oh, Diamond Manager, how did you do that? Oh, this thing. Super strength? Why did I put this in the lobby? That's terrible. I am questioning
Why
my
are
own
people
design
able to hit
decisions.
each other in the lobby?
Because it
At all.
activated when we did the thing.
Did the
Like
thing.
they didn't used to be able to do it, but then they activated the Diamond King thing, and that automatically allowed PvP currently. Everyone's just
What the heck?
you're murdering each other.
In the lobby, you should give, I don't know, saturation, weakness, and resistance. Or something.
Yeah, I know. I'm working on it, bit by bit. I
There's
could
now a
give
vacuum cleaner running in the background.
I could give saturation. However, the problem with that is in 1.9, if you give saturation, it kind of causes
Yeah.
infinite health. So I want to be careful with how I do that.
I'm gonna mute for a minute, hold on.
Game mode 2. There you go. Tried to get the steak. Wait,
There's
where
a cat on my desk because of the vacuum cleaner.
is there a steak on? What button is
No,
there
I
that turns you into
collected it.
spectator mode?
I-
How did you petita pata? No! Who? Why?
I
Hey,
was
jump
so
petita!
close. But the
TP, Denise.
no, I didn't even get
Wait,
the chance
what?
to burn in lava. Diamond Man Drew killed me.
Denise, what is your problem? Are you invisible? How did this happen? Where are you? I'm confused. Hey, Denise.
What?
No, stop! No, why, people? These were supposed to be invulnerable. What happened to this?
Minecraft
No.
Avatar, have you been recording?
Ah! Why are these not invulnerable anymore? They used to be. Okay. Entity data. My goodness. It's like a couple Minecraft updates and everything explodes. Man. Entity data at E type equals summon item frame. Okay. Item frame invulnerable.
I don't understand the floor art.
One. In the old map is terrible aesthetically. It just is a mess. The new map looks much nicer.
It legitimately looks like a child tried to start their own Minecraft server.
That's basically me.
That's basically your past self creating blocked in.
Yep. Okay, let me just reset this real quick.
There's water in the lobby.
Yeah, I know, because people keep placing
Because blame
things.
Donisi.
Hashtag blame Denise. Seriously?
I'm posting it on
Seriously,
Twitter.
you keep taking things. The moment I unlock the chest for a half a second so I can try to fix the dang item. No, stop it. No, bad. You know what? No. You know what? No. This is not happening. Oh my goodness. Well, that was exciting. Dang it, I need to get that back now. Clear. Let's just clear at A, because I don't know who has what now.
Dang it, you cleared my steak.
Yeah, I'm gonna give that steak back.
Mistakes.
Mistakes were made. Give back steak. Okay. All my Coolio stuff. I had fancy swords. Well, now you don't. How do you feel?
What?
I'm talking to Slash. Ooh, why does it do that? What's with the... Oh, the
Why
bottle
does
of
it do what?
time. Nothing. I don't know what I'm talking about. Sorry. Okay, put that there. Put that there. Turn this back the way it was. Put that there. Put that there. Um, that there. Doot doot doot. Doot doot doot.
Hold on, I want to see myself on the stream. I'm gonna look at the
So I
stream for a
took the
moment.
bottle of time. Oh gosh, what a mess. So that is a thing that has happened. What a mess.
This map.
No, not the map is somewhat of a mess now, but like the bigger mess is me trying to clean up. I'm like trying to clean up the
Here's
messes
the
that you guys are
question of the
creating.
day. Was the map better before the stream or worse before the stream?
I think it's worse now because I let you guys on and you're like pouring water all over everything and stuff.
Placing
Topazia.
TNT.
Oh, please respond to the previous message. Denise, I don't know if I. Oh, can I build a title animation that says hashtag blame Denise? Why? I
Hmm?
mean, just why?
What?
Denise is messaging me stuff. Can you get back to the lobby, please? TP,
I've already posted my tweet saying hashtag blame Donisi.
game mode 2 slash. Phew, man, how do people keep getting in game mode 3? Is it the spectate button or?
Probably. I don't know. I haven't
Oh,
done it.
my goodness. All right. Now, assuming that nobody else is going to do anything crazy, let's hope that I can actually get back to progress.
Hashtag blame Donisi.
Hashtag blame Denise. My goodness. There's a lot of spam in the chat, mostly because I'm doing commands, so it's hard to tell when actually people need things. Why pose? Denise, I don't know if I should let you do the title animation, because if you get in creative, everyone's going to want to be in creative, and especially using command blocks and stuff. Plus, I'm going to have to delete the title animation thing anyway, so I'd rather you not, just for now. Let me go ahead and work on this thing, just so you can have another thing to mess around with. This
Does
is,
your inventory say EJ?
it does, yeah. You laugh at me? You laugh at my name? Think my name's funny, do you?
I made a resource. The first resource pack I'd ever created. It recolored all the grass to red, and I kept it
Why?
for months
Why?
because I didn't. I was like the guy who made the 1900 styled websites. Not literally. That's an analogy.
Huh. I don't understand that analogy at all.
Blame Denisi.
Hashtag blame Denise. Alright, I'm probably
EJ
going to
doesn't
regret
understand that
this.
analogy. Just blame Denisi.
This is probably a very bad idea, but let's see how this goes. Boop, boop,
I bet I
boop.
can like pull up some sort of archive of that crappy texture pack,
Have fun.
and I can like
uh,
pull up screenshots. The only good thing about that resource pack was the Ender Dragon. I did a really good job with that. I retextured the entire Ender Dragon to have creeper scales.
ooh, cool.
Everything else was a piece of junk, like the grass color. And then I published it on Minecraft forums, and they actually somebody reported me for using too many Mojang related textures. And the
What?
post got
For a
deleted.
texture pack?
Yeah, I only recolored the grass, so they considered it copyright infringement because I just recolored it.
For a texture pack?
Yes.
So you're using Minecraft and you're giving it new textures and you're only altering them slightly. Therefore, they go, "Oh, you're using the
Exactly.
Minecraft textures."
Yes. And the
What the
moderators
heck?
bought it, and they literally deleted my post. Not that I wanted that public anyway, but
That doesn't make any sense. I don't know what the point of that is. Hmm.
anyway, blame Denise.
Yes, hashtag blame Denise. Da 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 da.
I will murder you with steak. There is no cooldown on steak. Hold on, I wonder if it'll actually say murdered using steak.
If you rename it, then yeah.
Oh, yes! Ah, dang it. It didn't say it.
You could rename your steak.
I see no anvil and I have no XP. There are
Here,
arrows all over the barriers and it just looks
all
very
right.
strange.
Here's an anvil. Here's the XP.
He's keeping me away from it. I just
Oh,
went right over the barriers and then died. He shot me over the barrier.
make it rain.
What the heck? I lost my steak. Give me the steak.
How'd you lose your steak?
Somebody
That could
killed
only.
me while I was
Well,
in while it
keep
was in the
inventories on.
anvil.
Oh, I see.
No, I can't use the anvil. What the heck?
I don't know why that is.
It won't let me. It keeps clearing my inventory or something. Like this steak isn't real. Whatever.
May
Minecraft bugs.
That's very strange.
There was a recent update.
Maybe it's because you're in adventure mode? I don't know.
I forgot what it was. Oh yeah. So I made a resource pack for 1.10, and it made all of the text. I don't know. Chat messages look like a ton better. Like your game mode has been changed too. It was like actually color coded, and the chat messages weren't pieces of junk that were all white. And then I updated the resource pack to 1.11, and it like didn't even register anything. Thanks, Mojang updates. You broke my wonderful resource pack that recolored chat text.
That you should still be able to update that, I think.
No, the en.lang file just doesn't load anymore. Apparently, I don't know.
Really?
Something's wrong.
No, I'm pretty sure that's not right.
Well, it wasn't loading my chat text. That's for sure.
Hmm.
Stop killing me, or I will murder you with steak. I have 19 experience. Get staked. Hold on, I haven't renamed the steak yet. Hold on. Stop it.
All right.
Stop.
There should be.
Freaking renamed steak. No, he stole my steak. Yes.
Eh.
No.
Eh. All right. Here. Here is some invincibility in this area.
I'm not in that area.
Now you're in that area.
Okay, there we go. My gosh.
So can you guys not rename items still?
I don't know. It was probably just a bug because I had it in my hand, in my cursor when I died. The sword broke.
Ha. EJ, make me adventure mode. I was fighting and then went in spec mode for some reason. Okay, that's strange. Okay, game mode to Diamond Major. Man, having these people on, I mean, you guys, having having people on was somewhat of a bad idea because like I haven't gotten much work done because I'm constantly trying to take care of errands and stuff so that you guys don't die and stuff. All right, let me see what's going on here.
Another
How
Minecraft
dare you
bug that
clear
never
me.
got fixed. I tried to set up a server one time, so I set the spawn protection in the server properties. And I set it to 16, and it worked fine. Then when I updated it to 64, instead of it being a 64 by 256 by 64 box, or whoops, 128 by 256 by 128 box, it was an 86 by 256 by 24 box or something like that. I'm like, what? Why? Adventure mode works way better than that. Just use adventure mode.
Huh. Strange.
That bug was resolved as invalid, even though I literally had the server running with that on it.
Huh.
Mojang is weird.
Yeah.
What the heck?
What?
Someone has created infinite skeletons. They're all killing each other. Only one will remain.
Oh my gosh. I'm having way
Ow.
too much fun with this.
You should just start a realm where everyone is opt. No, never mind. We'd all just loop kill.
Yeah, that would end badly pretty fast.
You'd have to blame Denise for it.
Hashtag blame Denise. Where are those coordinates? I need to TP to them. TP. Do. Oh, great. I'm in a block. Okay. That is inefficient. Oh well. I know better now. Whoop, falling. Updating command blocks. 101 with EJ Monkey.
I lost my stake.
You lost your
in
stake.
Crossfire.
Dun
Please
dun
send help.
dun.
Okay, I'm out. Denise. Oh yeah, we have resistance. I just wasted a whole minute on punching Denise.
That's funny.
I'm stuck at 2 hearts with resistance. What the heck?
Eat some food.
I have
Or
no
is your
stake.
steak oh, your steak is invisible or not real?
My stake is non-existent.
There you go.
Oh, stake. This will be very useful in combat.
There we go.
Newt. I'm being shot by skeletons. I have no resistance. I now have 2 stacks of steak. I'm gonna
Read it.
rename one.
It's already renamed.
Eat it.
Oh boy.
I was just gonna rename it, what's the word? Frick, hold on, I gotta look this up. When 2 words are spelled differently, but sound the same? I think?
Homophone?
Homonyms.
Homophone.
I get a result. First result. Homonym versus homophone versus homograph.
Homograph? What is a homograph?
I don't know. I'm reading this article about it. Did you just merge 2 jukebox songs?
Why is that so
Where is
loud?
I don't even see a jukebox.
The jukebox is way down below, but I don't know why it's so loud from this far away. Like, holy
Because
cow.
Mojang wanted to make it so that you could hear it over large areas because it's background music.
It's
You
kind of
wouldn't be
annoying.
like mine. You wouldn't be able to like gardening in your front yard while the music is playing from inside your house. What if
Yeah,
you want to
because
listen
that's
to
a
that
good idea.
music? This is a very common
Yeah.
situation.
Oh yeah. You never know when you need to listen to your music while you're leaving the house and going to work. Still hearing it.
They need portable jukeboxes. MP3 players.
That'd be funny.
No, they need iPods.
iPods in Minecraft. Sounds like a plan.
No, I don't even need to. Hold on. I'm gonna eat the eat it steak.
Eat it. You're eating the eat it.
I will now murder with steak. EJ Monkey, I found you.
Oh,
Yes.
and you. They followed you.
I
They
did not
died.
expect that. I thought there would have been barrier.
Nope. It's currently in progress
What
area.
is this song? I haven't heard this either. I need to listen to the discs. You should totally start up a modded server of a good
I don't really,
mod.
I don't really do mods, but I might
Well, I
do like
don't
a.
either, but there are some really good mods.
That's true. Oh well, people keep dying down the pit of death.
Oh, Dragon just recorded Dragon. Hold on, I don't even know how to properly pronounce his username. I don't think
Dragon or
I've.
14?
Do I just say Dragon?
I say dragon. I mean, how else would you
J
pronounce it?
Ragoon.
J Ragoon. What if Dre Ragoon was not kill? Doodly doodly doodly. uh, did
That's like
someone
the
just
best
died
thing to
again?
ever exist.
That was pretty funny.
On my old server, um, I had like I don't know 8 people on, which is the most I'd had in a while at the time. That server's
Mm-hmm.
dead now, but anyway. So everyone kept on like the J Ragoon meme was recently released. So everyone on the majority of the people on my server at the time were kept on spamming J Ragoon. And
That's
I'm
funny.
like, do you want me to get him on? And everyone just kept spamming yes, get him on. And then I actually convinced him to join the server, and I bet he remembers this. And immediately when he joins, it's like 15 minutes after people have stopped spamming and completely forgot about it. They just start spamming J Ragoon, and I actually got a screenshot of it. It was hilarious.
That's
It's just
amazing.
like Dragon suddenly joins, and it's just like J Ragoon, J Ragoon, J Ragoon.
J Ragoon! J Ragoon! That's amazing.
One guy just kept on spamming it like consistently the entire time until Dragon left.
J Ragoon! J Ragoon! It's J Ragoon! Dies.
I think everyone got a screenshot with him.
That's funny. Whoa, whoa. I'm getting some serious lag. What's going on here? Is someone spawning like 1,000 skeletons? What just happened?
I think I've probably listened to every single one of C418's songs except for the ones that are in the music discs.
Huh. That's interesting. What am I missing here? Why are
I will
there
murder these skeletons with steak.
chunk updates? Oh my gosh, why are there so many chunk updates? What is happening here?
Blame Denisi.
Something is very wrong.
Is Denisi even here anymore? No, he's not. Still, blame Denisi.
Okay, why have the chunk updates gone through the roof? What the heck is happening?
You should start up your own server, EJ.
You mean Edgecraft or a new
Is that
thing?
yours?
Yeah, I was the one who started it ages ago.
Oh, okay. I thought someone else started it.
Nope.
Whoops.
Okay, why
You should start your own
is there
public
so
server,
much
though.
lag? I could. Why? I'm getting huge lag spikes. Are you?
Oh my gosh. No, I'm not. F. No. Relog?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I was on a private server with this one guy. His name was Blue Stingstone. I'm just gonna call him Blue. So Blue, I was teaching him binary because he actually made this system to detect coordinates, which had already been done before, but he didn't know about binary, so he did it by the 10th power instead of by the 2nd power, which was deficient. So I tried to teach him a binary, and then I went AFK during the lesson, and we were both in creative mode, so I was sitting in midair, and he put redstone repeaters in front of my face, and then a button on the other side of my face, and then he posted it on my Discord and said, "Why isn't this working?"
He put a button on your face and
Or
what?
not. He put a button on the back side of my head, and then he put chain command blocks on the front side of my head. Do you get it?
Oh, because you're an impulse command block?
Yes, so he put a button
Uh,
on one side. He put a stone block with a button on it on the back of my head while I was AFK, and chain command blocks on the front, and he took a screenshot of it and posted it on my Discord, and he said, "What?"
what? I didn't hear what you said because Discord exploded.
It did.
Actually, it might be my computer that's exploding. I'm trying to check out my computer and see what on earth is happening right now. Because there's some serious problems going on. My CPU is pretty overloaded for some reason.
What the heck? Might be your stream, and not.
That's what I thought, but I don't know. I can try ending the stream and restarting it real quick.
Whenever you do that, you lose viewers for some reason. People are just impatient.
Well, I mean, it'll take 10 seconds if I do that.
Well, I've learned that from experience.
Uh,
Is it worth it? Hold on.
I mean, how many viewers do I even have right now anyway? It's probably like 2, if any.
Oh, you have 5.
Oh,
You
wow.
had
Well,
7. You had 7 earlier, actually.
in that case, if you 5 want to stick around while I end the stream and restart it real quick, I just need to make sure my computer is not exploding. I'm not exactly sure why everything is exploding, but apparently it's not working too well. And Diamond Manager, if you want to join the Discord, the link should be directly below. Like, scroll the page down a little bit and you should see a place where it says like participation underneath the main video thing, so you can talk to us there if you'd like. Let me end the stream real quick. I'll be right back, like in hopefully less than a minute. So see you in just a second. I'm gonna see if this will help my computer to not die. BRB.